President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong mahirap
Marcoleta.
kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh. Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito
Madam
eh. Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong motion?
point of order. Ad hominem. Ad hominem. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po,
Hindi,
ang sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung
136.
kasama niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
ba
alam sa
pagbigyan
batas. They're in a hurry because of news reports that probably 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, this Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong, kung sino man yung makukulong, kung sino man yung makukulong, kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President.